Okay guys, so we are at the Handbrake homepage here, and the URL, I'll have a link in the post that will take you to handbrake.fr. If not, you can see the URL up here in the left hand corner. So anyways, we're at the homepage. We're just going to click on download, and then you're just going to select your operating system, Mac, Windows, Ubuntu, and then just go ahead and download that. I've already downloaded and installed this, so you'll just follow a normal download install process. Alright guys, so here we have open Handbrake, and I'll just go ahead and walk you through kind of the whole process of converting this and just making sure that it's going to be optimized to play on mobile devices and cell phones. So anyways, over here on my desktop I just have a kind of a placeholder, just a demo video. So anyways, that's what we'll be converting and working with. So anyways, we just go ahead and are going to select our source. So we're just going to say open source, and then I'm just going to select this video here. And so now this is of course the video that we're going to be converting. Destination, of course, is just going to be where it's going to export to. So I'll just go ahead and put rename this so that we don't replace the old file. One thing to note is that you want to go into preferences, just probably first off, and you want to make sure that this is going to be exporting in MP4. Right here where it says auto, you want to just select MP4 because we'll need that. Now let's just go ahead and get to the converting. We just want to select web optimized, and we want to leave this video codec in H.264, or select that if it wasn't selected. We want to select average bit rate, and this is just kilobytes per second. This varies depending on the size of video you're gonna have. 720p, 1080p, maybe 640. So anyways, you'll have to play with this. I can tell you that usually 8 to 900 for like maybe a 720p video is a good starting point, but you'll probably have to export, just kind of check quality. Also depends if quality is really important to you. If you're doing a screencast where they need to be able to read smaller text, then you probably want to do a higher bit rate. If it's not as important, the minute details, then you can lower the bit rate. Of course, the lower the bit rate, faster it'll export, less data it'll take to stream, less bandwidth on your Amazon S3 or whatever you're using to serve it up. So quality will go down as well. So anyways, just that kind of in the article talked about that, but that's just something to consider. We want to do a second pass. I usually don't check turbo first pass. I'm not usually in that big a rush, so just let this do it in the background. So anyways, we'll do that. If we go to audio right here, we don't need 160. We can knock that down to 128. That's still really good audio quality. Let's go back to video. Web optimized. Adjusted our bit rate. Here we can see the picture size of our source is at 720 by 406. Now if we want to adjust that, we can go over here to picture settings, and we can change it from strict to custom. Like say we wanted to make this a 1080p video, we just adjust it in here. You can also, this is something else, to get down to just the right size, you might have to just adjust the modulus from 16 to 8 or 4 to whatever it's divisible by, basically. So anyways, that's pretty much that. We'll just go ahead and leave this because I'm not going to mess with that, but that's how you would adjust that, and that's pretty much it, guys. And we'll just go ahead and hit start. Alright, there you go. So it converted it. So we'll just hit OK. Open it up. There's our demo.mp4. And it looks great. Quality is really nice. So it looks like 900 kilobytes per second was a good bit rate for this video. And that will play on any mobile device. Of course, you're going to need to have an appropriate player that supports that in HTML5. If you guys have more questions about that, feel free to email us or talk to us. I'll have an email address at the bottom of this article as well. So I just hope that's helpful, and we'll talk to you guys later.